Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, Blue Marble Riders. As someone once said to me, let's go make some memories. What a beautiful day in paradise it is today. Gorgeous out there. You see the peaks on the mainland. I don't know what it looks like in a GoPro. Probably tiny. Gorgeous. Okay. One of my local dealers. New camera angle, let's see how that one works. Bit close, we'll see how it goes. What a gorgeous bike, eh? Handsome, not just the bike. Cheeky bugger I am, eh? Well, we're off to Englishman River Falls. I'm feeling patriotic today, let's put it that way. All the St. Patrick's Day stuff going on lately. Time for some English stuff. Over the gravel carefully. Good. Not exactly sure where I'm going, but I think it's on the left up here somewhere. It could be this one or the next one. I'll know when I see the name of the road. Oh, I'll take it. Ooh, fourth gear takeoff. She never complained. Amazing. I didn't know all this existed down here. It's amazing. A good old-fashioned general store. Oh, look, a unicorn farm. I wonder if they have bikes in there. The perfect unicorn bike. Good Lord, I'll have to drop in on the way back and see if they've got it. Wonder what it looks like. Stuck behind a diesel beauty? I think not. Unicorns, tiger lilies. Where am I ending up here? Fifth dimension? We're going to be stopped by Druid in a minute. A wobbly sign, I like those. I've got a minivan blocker in the way though. Yeah, right off the road, kicks the gravel up, nice. That's it. Wheel to the left. Left hand down a bit more. Okay, right hand down a bit. That's it. Good. Oh no, you lose some points right over the white line. See if you can take the cyclist out for 50. Bonus 50. Oh, counts the yellow. It's not like I can smell any weed behind this thing. Strange. Come on, you can stay on the road. You're getting close to the white line again. Look at that. Oh, go on. Yeah, go on. Shaved it. Oh, beautiful. And you're... Oh, again. You're going for it off the side of the road again. Nice one. Oh, yeah. I'm going to give you 20 points for that one. Ah, ha, ha. Englishman, River Falls Park. Resident Cougar. "30 kilometers an hour. Should be good. There's been a bit of rain the past few days, so there should be a little bit of splishy splashy going on here. A few big trees here, eh? Look at those things. I don't know how high they go. Oh yeah, nasty. Some nasty dirty bits. I don't want to be too precious about my bike, but I did just wash it and I don't really want to do that again. This'll do. Alright. Off to see the falls.
Once again, thanks for watching everyone. If this is the first time you've watched, please consider subscribing. I do product reviews, motorcycle reviews, off-road and on-road vlogs, as well as tours. Don't forget to follow me on social media, that's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and to like, and especially, I'm begging you here folks, subscribe. This is the BlueMarbleRider, out.